Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung likod, si Jomer Makinay, and today we'll be reviewing the AK74s. Small one, S for the small. This unit is made by AK. It's more or less all plastic. That fell down. That fell down. All plastic construction. It also have a side rail attachment in which you can mount a AK rail over here. That's a very nice finish. Again, plastic, metal. This is metal again. This is metal, plastic, 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 plastic. This is, I think this is not plastic. Metal outer barrel, and the rest is all plastic, plastic, and plastic. The good thing with this one is it has 7.14 mm counterclockwise thread, and also, oh yes, this one has I think it's the 24 mm thread the AK variants have. Since this is made by AMK, which is oops, do not lose the the lock. Since this is made by AMK, which is one of the infamous AK brands in airsoft world, uh, you know that it's a very good quality. Actually, I do have two pieces of AMK personally in my collection. I have the AK-74, it's a AK-74, no, AK Ames wood version. It feels amazing. Wood version, wooden handguard, and the very infamous, not infamous, well, it's a 9K. What do you call that one? The very, very long one, long AK. Oh, the RPK, which is also made by AMK. And all of them uses the same magazine, so it's intercompatible. Um, so I have three magazines already. Uh, this one has a version 3 type gearbox. Again, very airsoft compatible. This one has also a working blowback and magazine prime. Even though since this is only the prime switch, pressing this button, you just need to remove this screw here, and you can put a small rubber band so this one sticks to here. Well, not technically sticks, prevent it from moving. You can easily disable the blowback but still retain the prime function, which is very nice. Oh, this one uses the Minatamiya plug, which reduces the options for your battery. Although you can easily change this to a XC30 or Dean's, your choice. But I prefer the XC30 for better battery options. This also have a plastic flip-up sight, and front sight is also plastic, which makes this unit extremely light. Even the back stock is also plastic. So again, it's very, very light. Since this is a version 3 type gearbox, it is very airsoft compatible. I have upgraded one unit of my clients to a better silver magnet motor, because this one don't have any near. No. Changed this to a silver magnet motor, which totally made it a beast. And also fried the prime diode, so it's not recommended. It's nice, iconic, and wonderful. With the side rail, you can add optics. But again, this is an AK, you don't need optics. You just point and shoot. Basically, the AK stuff. While this magazine is not extremely huge, but much bigger than the standard magazines. I think at least twice the capacity of a normal M4 magazine. So one or two magazine is good enough for a game or two. Again, since this is a version 3 type gearbox, parts are good. But then again, it has the usual AK issues that say full auto, semi, time goes by, this will loosen and you're doing full auto and suddenly it will accidentally go into semi. So personally, I disable the semi because it's useless. This an AKU, fire and forget. Hmm. Again, overall, I'm a simple guy. It shoots well, it has a long barrel, and a huge capacity magazine. I'm very happy and content with the unit. And but then again, AK is not for everyone. The use sad to say we are Western influenced country, so we're more into the never-ending M4 variants. But for me, this looks nice and iconic. Really very different. This costs around 6,000 pesos with Hydroblasters MNL. Link in the descriptions down below. So if you're interested in getting one, you can just open the link and send a PM with the owner. Oh, batteries, a cylindrical type, small battery compartment here. And generally, that's it. If you like the AK, you will like this. If you don't like the AK, stick with the M4 variants. This is a acquired taste. It's not for everyone, but if you an AK lover or AK appreciates AK, you will enjoy this one. And if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment sections down below. And I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!